Hi everyone, Teacher Karen here. And for this video tutorial, I will be teaching you how to effectively use ManyCam as a teaching tool, as a teaching aid when you are running or conducting your online classes with your students. So ManyCam is a widely used application for online teachers. Kaya lang minsan, hindi natin natitake advantage yung features niya. So for this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to maximize ManyCam and how to make sure that you'd be able to get 5 stars out of your class. And of course, talagang mag-enjoy yung student ninyo. So sa nag-request ng video na ito, thank you so much for commenting. Kaya nga nasabi ko sa inyo guys, basta alam ko, if I know something about it or alam mo yun, may background ako about it, your wish is my command. So feel free to comment down below if you have any requests for any tutorial or anything like that. Mag-comment lang po tayo and I'll do my best to grant your wish. So guys, dun muna tayo sa step 1. You have to download, of course, ManyCam from manycam.com/download. I-download lang natin ito. And this software is compatible for both Windows and Mac. Right now, I'm using a MacBook. And so far, it has been working properly. So as you can see, may option tayo, download for Mac or download for Windows. Then after downloading ManyCam, i-launch lang natin siya. You're just going to launch ManyCam and it will be looking like this. Yan. Ganito ang itsura ng ManyCam, guys. So, by default, guys, itong mga decoration dito, tingnan natin yung ManyCam video ko. Sige, para di tayo ma-distract. Itan ko yung video ko. Itong mga decoration na to, wala yan talaga. So, I just put it there so that every time I teach, my student gets to see my name, Teacher Karen. Deadmahin lang natin yung maliit na video, okay? So that my students get to see my name and my students will also get to see this. Ito, para-paraan ko lang to guys. To indirectly ask for 5 stars because in my classes, I don't really ask, if you're happy with this class, please give me 5 stars. Kasi may bagong policy na hindi na natin siya pwede sabihin dahil nga meron ng upcoming na 5-star bonus. So I just put this here, para-paraan lang to ask for 5 stars. And I also download the Acadsoc logo. Ito, PNG file. Pag sinabing PNG file, this is a transparent background file para syempre nakikita mo pa rin yung likod kahit naka-add siya dyan. So you can easily get the PNG file online. All you have to do is simply search Acadsoc logo PNG. Yan. Search mo lang siya and you just have to simply save the logo on your computer. Ito, save lang natin siya on your computer. Then you will be uploading it on your ManyCam. Siguraduhin po natin na dapat PNG yung file type niya. Kasi tingnan nyo guys kapag ka PNG, yung file, it's going to look like this. Wala siyang background. So, ibig sabihin, let's say I've saved this on my computer. So, Acad logo. Sige, Acad logo. Yan, na-save na natin siya. This is a PNG file. And what I'll do using the ManyCam software is that I will be adding the file here. Yan, lagay natin. Acad logo. Mapupunta siya muna sa unordered. Guys, click ko lang siya. Meron na akong logo dito. So, pwede rin kayong magganyan. You just have to play around with it para malagyan nyo rin ng logo yung screen nyo para mas mukhang professional. If you're from 51 Talk, other companies, Nova Kid, just download the logo of your company, then put it there so that you're gonna look professional on top of your background, of course. So, the next step, you already have ManyCam. How are we going to use this as a teaching aid? So, my tip for you guys is for you to have like folders here. Folders ng iba't ibang topic rather. So meron ako dyang toys. Para kunyari when I'm teaching toys, yan, kiklik ko lang siya while I'm teaching. We could say, what's this? Joshua, what's this? Sabihin nila, it's a car. Pwede mo rin siyang igalaw-galaw. Or you'll ask them about a teddy bear. Could you tell me, what's this? Joshua, tidy siyang teddy bear. Or let's say, you're talking about a bike. You're asking your student, do you like to ride a bike? Do you like to ride a bike? Mas nagiging visual yung pagtuturo mo kasi bukod sa nakatingin na sila sa'yo, yung visual aid mo, katabi mo lang. So your student gets to focus more. And this is one of the great advantage of using ManyCam. It allows your student to focus more on you. Not only will it give you 5 stars, not only will it be visual aid rather, it allows your students to focus on you. Yung attention nila, kumbaga, sa'yo sila nakafocus. Now, the other one here is, I also have other folders here. Kunyari, magbibigay ako ng prize. Bibigyan ko sila ng cupcake. I'll give you a cupcake. Or I'm gonna say, I'll give you ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Here you go. Shing, shing, shing. Gaganon pa ako. Di ba kitang-kita natin dito sa isa kong camera na wala naman talaga. May mga imaginary stuff lang talaga tayo using ManyCam. Next one naman, guys. I also have here a folder for interests. Yung kapag kinukuha ko yung attention nila or nagtatanong lang ako, nag-establish ako ng rapport, I showed the Raymond, Elsa, Hello Kitty, Mickey Mouse, si Pikachu. And guys, itong mga pictures na to, wala siya talaga sa ManyCam. So, how are you going to get these images? Tandaan natin, PNG file. We would have to download the PNG file online. Let's say, I go to Google Images. Gusto kong kumuha ng picture ni, let's say, ng dog. Or ng cat na lang. Sige, cat PNG yan. Search na tayo ng cat PNG. Tapos, maghahanap lang tayo ng picture online na transparent yung background. Tapos, kapag ka nakahanap ka na ng background, kunyari itong pusa na to, ito, kunyari, transparent yung background niya, all you have to do is simply upload that on your ManyCam. So, tingnan natin kung transparent siya kasi minsan hindi siya transparent, guys. Ooh, transparent siya. Great example. Yan. So, transparent siya, guys. So, save image as cat PNG. Tapos, ang gagawin natin sa ManyCam, I'll be uploading it on my ManyCam. Oops, sorry. Dami ko kasing files eh. Yan. So, upload it. Mapupunta muna siya sa unordered. So, pwede ko na siya gamitin. I'll ask, oh, what's this? Jashishama? It's a cat. Do you like cats? Ni Shihuan, mama? Do you like cats? Shihuan po Shihuan. So, maganda siyang visual aid at mas talagang magpo-focus sa'yo yung student mo. Now, how are we going to make folders? All you have to do is click that plus sign. Plus sign lang tayo, guys. Oh, sorry, hindi pala plus sign. This plus sign na may folder. So, click the plus sign. Tapos, let's say, gawa ka ng folder na animals. Animals. Yan. Create. Tapos, i-add mo lang dito yung picture. Let's say, yan. Yan yung mga in-upload mo. So, sa folder ng animals, meron ka ng pusa. Okay? That's how you use it. So, I'll be deleting this folder kasi hindi ko naman siya kailangan. So, more than that, guys, ang ManyCam, meron naman siyang konting free na effects. Ako, nagda-download lang ako ng mga masks online para kahit medyo low-tech, ganyan yan. Pwede ko siya gamitin as a mask, once again, to grab my students' attention or to add, life to my class. So, yan yung mga pinagda-download ko to online. Ang tatandaan natin, dapat PNG file. It's supposed to be a PNG file para ganyan nga, wala siyang background na white. Okay? And these are other effects that are already on ManyCam. Meron siyang face detect. Yung ManyCam ko, guys, free lang to. Kapag ka na-unlock mo yung ManyCam kasi, kunyari sa Windows, pwede mo siya i-unlock. Marami pa siyang mga features. Ako, nandun lang ako sa free features. So, ayan na nga. Yan yung mga visual aids ko na ginagamit ko rin in class. And one more thing, yung pag-add naman ng ating name, kasi important din na i-add natin yung name natin. Ito lang siya, draw and text. So, dito mo pwede lagyan ng pangalan para matandaan nila na ikaw si Teacher Karen. Tapos yun nga, yung mga staple ko sa ManyCam, dapat merong 5 stars dito. Para indirectly, we're asking for 5 stars. So there you have it, guys. This is just a video tutorial on how to use ManyCam. I really hope you have learned something from this. Kasi ako talaga, guys, I have been a trial teacher for like 4 or 5 months now. At sobrang dami kong enrollment at malaking tulong ang ManyCam. Yung palaging sinasabi sa akin ng TM ko before is, Karen, download ManyCam, 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 ManyCam. So yun na nga, hanggat sa ginamit ko na talaga siya. And it's really effective if you want to have enrollment enrollment, successful enrollments, dahil bonus din yon. Para naman sa mga VIP teachers, ManyCam is a good way just to, add life and make your class more entertaining and really grab your students' attention. So guys, isang disclaimer lamang, ManyCam is not for slow computers. If your device freezes, if it's slow, if it's outdated, ManyCam is not for you, because sometimes when your device cannot accommodate the additional bandwidth from ManyCam, what's going to happen in your class is it will make your video lag, at imbes na makatulong siya sa class mo, talagang mapapahamak ka pa. It will be a terrible experience for your student. So once again, before I end this video, just a disclaimer, before downloading and using ManyCam, make sure that your computer, your device can really accommodate the additional bandwidth. Yung additional na work ay kaya niyang, alam mo yun, kaya niyang gawin yung mga dapat niyang gawin without, lagging or hanging. So there you have it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video tutorial on how to use ManyCam. Once more, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Teacha Karen. And if you have any requests, please feel free to comment down below. Kung may nagawa man akong mali na naka-offend sa'yo, please feel free to comment down below. Pero sana wala. So, there you have it, guys. I hope to see you again next time. At maraming salamat po sa aking mga subscribers at sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking napakaliit na YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, and please stay tuned. Bye-bye!